स्टुडंट क्रांतीवीर वसंतराव नारायणराव नाईक शिक्षण प्रसारक संस्था नाशिक संचलित माध्यमिक विद्या मंदिर शिवरे तालुका निफाड. I am science teacher Sroni RL. My subject is science and technology. We see chapter number 3, chemical reactions and equations. Subtopic oxidation and reduction. Twice oxidation and reduction. Twice Mg plus O2 is equal to twice MgO reaction first. C plus O2 is equal to CO2 reaction second. MgS2 is equal to Mg plus S2 reaction number 3, and CH3 is equal to CH2 double bond CH2 ethylene reaction number 4. If we consider the above 4 reaction, then in the reaction first and second are a reactant combined with oxygen, where in reaction 3 and 4 hydrogen gas is removed from the reactant. All these examples are oxidation reaction. So we see definition of oxidation. The chemical reaction in which a reactant combines with oxygen or loses hydrogen to form the product is called oxidation reaction. Reduction. The chemical reaction in which reactants gain hydrogen is called reduction reaction. Similarly, the reaction in which reactant loses oxygen to form the product is also called as reduction reaction. When hydrogen gas is passed over black copper oxide, a reddish colored layer of copper is formed. So, for example, copper oxide plus hydrogen is equal to copper plus H2. In the above reaction, an oxygen atom goes away from copper oxide, which means that reduction of copper oxide takes place, whereas hydrogen molecule takes up oxygen atom and water H2 is formed. Redox reaction. It is very important. When oxidation and reduction reactions occur simultaneously is called redox reaction. For example, twice H2S plus SO2 is equal to thrice S reduction plus twice H2 oxidation. If another example, MnO2 plus 4HCl is equal to MnCl2 plus twice H2O plus Cl2 gas evolve. MnCl2 reduction while twice H2 oxidation and chlorine gas removed. Next, corrosion means rust. A reddish colored solid layer collects on metallic surface. This layer is called rust, means ganj. Its chemical formula is Fe2O3.X2. It is always asked, water and air are necessary for rusting, means water and air affected on the metal to form rust. The rusting process takes place rapidly in presence of salt. क्षारांमध्ये लवकर हे गंजाची प्रोसेस होत असते. The rust is formed by an electrochemical reaction. Fe is oxidized to form Fe2 plus ions in the anode region. Therefore, Fe solid is equal to Fe2 plus ion plus twice electron. Then second one is oxygen is reduced, O2 is reduced to form water in the cathode region. Therefore, O2 gas plus 4s plus ions aqueous plus 4 electron is equal to twice H2O liquid. When Fe2 plus ions migrate from the anode region, they react with water and further get oxidized to form Fe3 plus ions. Reddish colored hydrogen oxide is formed from Fe3 plus is called rust. The various components of atmospheric oxidation of metals takes place consequently, resulting damage is called corrosion, and corrosion is very serious problem. Last topic, rancidity, khotpana. When we using old and leftover cooking oil for making food stuff, it is found that its odor is fault is called rancidity. If food is cooked in such oil, it also changes. When oil or ghee is left aside for a long time, or fried food is left aside for a long time, it undergoes air oxidation. Means oxygen enters to form oxidation process and becomes rancid. For preventing rancidity by using antioxidants, the process of oxidation reaction of foodstuff can also be slowed down by storing it in a airtight container for preventing rancidity. In this way, my dear student, we complete this chapter. You write its exercise. Thank you.